सचिन का टर्निंग पॉइंट रात 8:45 बजे सिर्फ स्टार न्यूज पर। बल्ले बल्ले हो जाएगी, बल्ले बल्ले।
बैंगलोर की तस्वीरें देख रहे हैं जहां पर सचिन के नाम की किताब जो है वो उसका विमोचन होने वाला है। सच किताब का नाम है, गौतम भट्टाचार्य ने लिखी है और कप्तान महेंद्र सिंह धोनी ने गुलदस्ता दिया है। 97 गुलाबों का गुलदस्ता, जितने शतक है सचिन के उतने गुलाबों का गुलदस्ता कप्तान धोनी ने दिया है सचिन तेंदुलकर को। और अभी राहुल द्रविड़ कह रहे हैं सचिन के बारे में कुछ, आइए सुनते हैं।
There's a book being launched about Sachin or something happening in Bangalore, and while you can never tire of watching Sachin bat, and it's someone that I've seen bat since the first time that I saw him as an under 15 player in Cuttack. I watched him play, and I was scoring for South Zone and he was playing for West Zone, and he got 60 runs, and I remember coming back and telling my friends that I've seen something really special. And from that day on to even now, you can never really tire of sort of watching Sachin bat, of watching the way he goes about playing his cricket, the way he prepares for games, the sheer magnitude of his performance. But it's becoming more and more difficult to say something new about him, or something that has not been written about him. I think in all these 20, 21, 22 years of cricket that he's played, I think everything that probably needs to be said about him has probably been said. And everything that's needs to be written about him has probably been written. In that context, for someone like Gautam to come out and to attempt this book and to write this book, obviously must have been a great challenge. But it's someone, I think Gautam, knowing Gautam and having seen Gautam all these years, is someone that I think he's someone who's probably the right man with the right credentials to take up a challenge like this. I haven't had the opportunity to go through the book. But I'm sure with Gautam's insights, the fact that he's been around the tour so much, he's seen so much of us, he's seen so much of cricket, he's seen so much of Sachin, there's something new and unique that I'm sure that Gautam would have brought to this book. It's exciting that there's an opportunity. I always say that there's not a lot of good books in Indian cricket. There's not a lot of chronicles about great players, and there's not a lot of great writing in Indian cricket. It's not, it's obviously not for the lack of quality of people, but it's just maybe because of the nature of the publishing business. So that's what I keep getting told. It's the nature of the fact that books don't necessarily sell in India, so that's why there are not so many published. So, considering all that, it's fantastic for Vikas Publishing to come out and publish a book. It's great for Gautam to do what he's doing. It's something that will be there for posterity. It's something that young children, young kids can look into, read, and be inspired by. And that's what all of us want. We want a whole generation. Sachin has inspired so many generations of kids and who watched him. But even when people like
सचिन का सम्मान और सम्मान में बात कर रहे हैं राहुल द्रविड़ भी। कप्तान महेंद्र सिंह धोनी ने भी गुलदस्ता दिया। सचिन के नाम की किताब जो है वो अब बस कुछ ही देर बाद उसका विमोचन होने वाला है। और इस किताब पर बोलने के लिए, इस कार्यक्रम में शामिल होने के लिए अनिल कुंबले शामिल है, महेंद्र सिंह धोनी शामिल है, राहुल द्रविड़ शामिल है और खुद सचिन तेंदुलकर भी। लौटेंगे इस पर, फिलहाल रुकने कुछ देर के लिए। ये वडोदरा का विश्व कप है। देखिए रात 9 बजे सिर्फ स्टार न्यूज पर।